Hey everybody, welcome back to One Seed, One World. So I just finished up planting some kale and Brussels sprouts over in my hoop raised bed. And now a little bit later on this afternoon, I'm gonna be checking on the new beehive. It's been 4 days since we installed the new colony, and now we're getting to the point where we should be able to check and make sure that the queen got out of her queen excluder box and check on the health of the hive so far early on. And also I want to check the feeder to make sure that I don't need to fill it up with more of the sugar water solution for them to eat until there gets to be more flowers and pollen and whatnot out here, since it's still, early April. There's not a whole lot of that. So there has been some good activity at the hive, even though it's been colder this past week. They do come out. I do see them coming in and out of the hole, especially like in the afternoons. So I think everything is going okay just from looking at the outside. There's normally a couple of them at the door that are hanging out with their butts in the air, fanning their wings, spreading those pheromones out from the queen. So I think that's a good sign. But here in a couple hours, I'm going to get suited up when Morgan is going to come back over and help me again today when she gets off work. So we're just waiting for her to come on over, and then we're going to do this and we'll show you where we're at so far. And I'll show you the bees right now. So this is just some activity going on at the front of the hive. Kind of let you see that there. You see, they're pretty active today. This is the most active that I've seen them so far. One quick thing I wanted to show you too is this tree. I'm not sure what kind it is, but every year this is one of the first trees that blossom and gets a lot of flowers on it. And I'm sure you probably can't hear it from here, but the whole tree is humming with bees and other pollinators that show up. So I'm hoping that our bees are finding this tree for some early pollen to supplement the sugar water that I'm giving them. We also have another tree up in the front of the house, or up by our kitchen, that does the same thing, only it gets way more dense in these white flowers, and it's a different type of tree, but it also has these white blossoms. And they should be blossoming, I think, in the next probably week or two. And every year that happens, you walk out of the house and there's just a hum of all the bumblebees and honeybees and all kinds of stuff that's up in there just getting all that pollen. So I'm hoping that we also get that again this year with our bees, and that they can start feeding on all this stuff. So exciting stuff. Anyway, let's get to checking the hive. Wow, look at them all. Wow, there's a bunch over here. I wonder how they got over here. Maybe they can get up over, because I don't think they all just flew in there just now.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Oh, they've got something.
They're pretty well tempered.
Look how it's pulling them apart there.
That looks like they just built all that.
Yeah, it's all like really clear. Well, I'm like pulling. Oh no, I'm not pulling apart the comb. I'm pulling apart bees.
Yeah. Look at all that fresh comb. I'm gonna get a picture.
Well, that's just getting a shot there. So. Well, I can see the queen box right here.
Is it him? Possibly. I just saw a drone. So I think we want to remove that, and I kind of want to check this box or this frame specifically for eggs.
Yeah, they all look the same to me. She might be buried in that mass though somewhere. How close? Shouldn't these be tight?
Yeah.
I'm afraid I'm going to mash them.
They'll move. They like tight spaces.
They're like right in between the wood slats.
Well, I'm sorry we didn't see the queen.
Yeah, they just love getting right in the wood slats there.
Because they're going to fill Home, anywhere there's open space.
Oh, a space.
And you're gonna regret that at some point.
Right. Oh, now we got almost all of them. Get down in there. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do it like that.
Oh, you're...
Make them all mad right when your fingers are there. Down in there. Everybody go. Come on. Get off the slowwood slats. We don't want to crush anybody.
No bee left behind.
There's one left behind. What are you doing? Stop it. Okay. Do this. So we weren't able to find the queen. There's too much activity going on right now. They're kind of all piled together, but they are building comb. I don't know. I'll see in editing how some of those shots maybe came up because it's hard to maneuver this big old camera in here. I think next time I'll bring in my little handheld so that you can get some better shots on the inside. But they seem to be pretty healthy. There's some in there carrying pollen on their legs, so we know they're getting some off the trees or whatever from nearby. And they're already building comb in there. So things so far, in my limited amount of knowledge, things are looking good.
Yes.
Okay, so first hive check is complete. Wasn't as comprehensive as what I would have liked to have done since we weren't able to see the queen, but no big deal. But that's it for now. We'll do another check in a few days. We got the sugar water refilled, although it was still almost half full, and so they've eaten down some of it, but I think they're already starting to get pollen from some of the trees around here, so that's good. Good things. So whatever's going on in your neck of the woods and at your beehives, I hope it's gone fantastic for you, and we will see you again soon. Have a great day. Namaste.